ya.
One day, maybe next week, we're gonna grip ya, and then we'll trip ya. Hurry!